Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a traditional sew-in on my beautiful grandmother. She wanted something natural looking and super easy to maintain. So if you're interested in seeing how I got that done, just keep on watching. I'm going to start by sectioning off about 1.5 inches of minimal leave out around the perimeter. And we're also going to do about 2 inches wide of parting space in the middle in case she wants to change her part up. I sectioned off a little extra hair on the left side because this is where she usually wears her part. And on this side, we're not doing the traditional parting space, we're doing more of a flip over method. To start our foundation, we're going to braid around the perimeter in a U shape. The first braid will start by your ear and go to the bottom right corner. The next braid will start at the opposite ear and braid all the way down until you meet that first braid and connect the two. If you have any shorter pieces in the back, you want to purposely leave those out of your braid and not force them in. What's going to happen is over time, within a few days, the hair will come out of the braid and it'll just cause breakage. So just make sure that we're doing that. Now for the rest of the braids, we're going to be parting the hair, going straight back and braiding up until about the halfway point. Then we're going to take that tail from our previous braid, add that in halfway, and then keep braiding down. This is going to ensure we don't have any loose tails in our foundation. It's going to give us a stronger foundation and make the sew-in last even longer. Once we make it about halfway, we're going to start on the opposite side by that ear and connect our braids until we meet in the middle. All right, now for the fun part. I like to add a net under all of my sew-ins. This just helps the style to last even longer, and it keeps a lot of that tension off of your hair. And I add a cap over the top of that net just to help it to lay flat while I'm sewing, and I go ahead and remove it about halfway once it's laying in place. And make sure that we're sewing around the area of the leave out, not on top of it, and then we want to cut off that excess. I used 2 packs of Empire hair, and I got the color 613 and the number 2. The 613 I was able to turn gray with a little dye and purple shampoo, and I'm placing the 2 tracks on top of each other and sewing them in this way. It gives it a nice blended effect. And once we're finished, it's going to look even better, even more blended. You won't even be able to tell that we did the color this way. Now, once we get to the same spot that we started on the opposite side, we're going to fold. We're first going to tie a knot through the weft, fold it going the opposite way, and tie another knot just to secure that end. And also make sure that these starting and ending knots are not only going through the weft, but also the beginning of the braid and the netting. So we're going to go ahead and finish off here. She doesn't like a lot of hair, so I only used about 1 pack equivalent using the both of the colors.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways.
Now I'm just adding a few face framing layers to give it a more natural look.
Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay all day.
We're going for some natural body curls. So I'm going to take my section, straighten it, and then curl it going away from the face.
Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
And you want to make sure you're using your wax stick and very small sections when we're straightening the leave out.
Treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. And my heart can't take no more. I can keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you.
And I'm going to use my black root touch-up spray just to cover any areas that might be too gray from the hair that we used. Now, I know lace wigs are usually my specialty, but I feel like this came out really cute and was perfect for what she was wanting. Blending salt and pepper hair can be tricky, but I feel like this method really saved us a lot of time. And most importantly, my grandma was in love with her hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.